Hi, this is Simon from writtenlegalenglish.com and welcome to another plain English redrafting task. This week we're going to be looking at that horrible ambiguous term and/or. Now, there are many criticisms of and/or, both recent and going way back into the past. And that's because there is no precise definition of and/or in the common law system, which means that the understanding of this term is absolutely crazy because no one knows how to understand it. When lawyers apply it or whether they use it, then no one really knows what they're trying to do or what they're trying to say. And as a result, judges have said that lawyers who use and/or have laziness of thought. In other words, they don't really know what they're trying to say, and they use and/or just to say something without knowing what it is. In fact, one judge said and/or is commonly an indication that the draftsman is not clear in his own mind about the matters with which he has to deal. In other words, the lawyer who wrote this doesn't really know what he's talking about. So there's a massive level of ambiguity that's associated with and/or, and I go into a lot of detail about this on my course at writtenlegalenglish.com. If you want to have a look at the video that I did for this many years ago, from my first course that I ran, then you'll see the link to that below this video. But the video that I do on my course now goes into a lot more detail, has a look at a lot more authority, a lot more court cases, and has a much wider discussion of the problem of and/or. But suffice to say, for this week, and/or is a problem, and I want to introduce the problem that and/or causes by looking at these two sentences. And ask yourself the question, one, how would you redraft them? And secondly, is there a potential legal problem that could be caused by the use of and/or in each case? And those sentences are: for additional information, visit our website and/or call our helpline. Some of the statutes and regulations enforced by the US Department of Labor require that notices be provided to employees and/or posted in the workplace. Think of those. How would you redraft them? What do you think and/or really should be? And in that process of thinking and redrafting, think about what potential legal problems could be caused by the use of and/or in those sentences. Okay, let me know what you think. Put your comments in below this video, and I'll be back at the end of this week with my thoughts on these two sentences.